Assalamu alaikum students. Today I'm going to start unit number 3 food on page number 29. Here are some difficult words related to this lesson and you have to learn these words. Grown, 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 grown. Soil, 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 soil. Ploughs, 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 ploughs. Factory, FACT, fact, ORY, factory, FACT, fact, ORY, factory. Harvested, HAR, har, VEST, west, ED, harvested, HAR, har, VEST, west, ED, harvested. Sprayed, SPRAY, spray, ED, sprayed, SPRAY, spray, ED, sprayed. Crushed, 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 crushed. Containers, CONTAIN, contain, ERS, containers, CONTAIN, ERS, containers. Let's start our reading. Food, food कहते हैं खाने को. Humans, animals and birds cannot live without food. We get our food in different ways. Students, food is the basic and important need of all living beings. Like humans, animals and birds, even plants also need food to survive. Without food, living things would die. Food gives us energy to do work. Where does our food come from? जो खाना हम खाते हैं वो आता कहाँ से है? We get our food from two main sources. As we read in class 1, we get our food from plants and animals. Some food is grown on the land. For this, we need good soil, lots of water and seeds. Here is a man collecting oranges from a tree. We get grain, fruits and vegetables from plants. Some foods are grown on the land for good growing crops, good farming, cultivation. The farmer needs a good soil, fertile soil. Fertile soil कहते हैं ज़रख़ेज़ ज़मीन को. Good quality of seeds and a lots of water. And here you can see a picture on the right side of your page. A man is collecting oranges from a tree. We get grain, fruit and vegetables from plants. Grains कहते हैं wheat or any other cultivation cereal used as food. Fruit कहते हैं फलों को और vegetables कहते हैं सब्जियों को. Here are the three pictures. The first picture is about vegetables, second picture is about fruits and third picture is about wheat. वीट कहते हैं गेहूं को, जिससे आटा बनता है और आटे से रोटी बनती है। डिड यू नो वी ग्रो लॉट्स ऑफ मैंगोज इन पाकिस्तान? These mangoes are sold all over the world. As we know that a mango is the king of all fruits, a large amount of mangoes are grown in Pakistan and we also export mangoes. We get food from animals also. Cows, buffaloes and goats gives us milk and meat. Birds like chickens give us eggs. We also eat chicken. Many kind of food can be made from eggs and milk. Students, we get our food from plants as well as animals. Animals are very useful for us in various ways, like cows, buffaloes and goats gives us milk and meat. Hen gives us eggs, meat and feathers. Many kind of food made from the combination of eggs and milk. Just like in first picture you can see cheese, second picture is about ice cream and third picture is about cake. They made from eggs and milk. Students, here I am going to give you a small activity. Write down the names of some food you can make from eggs and milk. You can take help from your mother. Corn oil. Corn कहते हैं मकई को. Oil is used for cooking. These pictures below show you how corn oil is made. A farmer plows the land with a tractor. Corn is sown in the fields. Here I am going to discuss the process of corn from start to end with the help of pictures. These pictures show you how corn oil is made. In first picture, the farmer plows the land with the help of tractor. Plows कहते हैं हल चलाने को. In second picture, the farmer sown the seeds of corn. Rain helps the crop to grow. Crops कहते हैं फसलों को. Students, rain is very important for cultivation and for seasonal crops. Many of our crops depend on the rain. There are two types of crops. The crops grown in summer, they are called kharif crops, and those crops are grown in winter are called rabi crops. Next picture, the crops is sprayed to kill the pests. It's very important to spray on the crops to kill the pest. If we not spray, the crops will become spoiled. In next picture, the crop is harvested. Harvested कहते हैं जब फसलें पककर पूरे तरीके से तैयार हो जाती हैं तो उनकी कटाई की जाती है. क्रॉप्स की कटाई करने को हार्वेस्टेड कहा जाता है. And in third picture, the corn is taken to a factory. When the corn is fully ready, it's taken to the factory. In the factory, the corn is crushed to take out the oil. It is put into tins, bottles and bags and labeled. These are taken to the shops where we can buy. In first picture, you can see where the workers are crushed the corns to take out the oil. And in second picture, you can see the oil is ready and filled in containers. In third picture, now corn oil bottles are ready for label. This is all. Now we have some questions and you have to learn these question answers. Our first question is, why do we need food? We need food to live, to grow, to get energy. हमें खाना खाने की ज़रूरत क्यों होती है? We need food to live, ज़िंदा रहने के लिए, to grow, बढ़ने के लिए, to get energy, और एनर्जी हासिल करने के लिए. Where do we get our food from? जो खाना हम खाते हैं वो कहाँ से आता है? We get our food from plants and animals. जो खाना हम खाते हैं वो प्लांट्स और एनिमल्स से आता है. What else can we make from corn? कॉर्न से हम क्या बना सकते हैं? कॉर्न ऑयल. स्टूडेंट्स, वैसे तो हम कॉर्न को बहुत सी तरह से खा सकते हैं. Why are crops sprayed? क्रॉप्स को ऊपर स्प्रे क्यों किया जाता है? The crops are sprayed to kill the pests. क्रॉप्स के ऊपर स्प्रे इसलिए किया जाता है ताकि जो भी पेस्ट्स हैं उनको मार दिया जाए और उस पर और जो क्रॉप्स होती हैं उनके ऊपर कीड़ा नहीं लगता. This is all for today.